Hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are coming for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Adaora. Today I'm going to be unboxing some Nigerian food stuff. Over here is my bag of Nigerian goodies. Nigerian goodies all the way from Enugu State, okay? So you guys know I cook a lot of Nigerian dishes and I live outside Nigeria. So it's very difficult to get some of those items here. Then the ones you can find at all at the African store that's so expensive. So I usually ship some from Nigeria, but this particular one, a friend of mine that traveled to Nigeria for Christmas just helped me bring some food stuff. I'm just so grateful for them because it's a lot of food stuff here, and I know how much, like, if I were to pay and ship all those things, I know how much that would cost. So I'm so grateful that they brought all of this for me for free. So today I'm going to unbox this food stuff in front of you guys so that we can just see what is inside, and I can also show you guys how I store them. So how I store some of this Nigerian food stuff here, like my egusi, my ogbono, my ogiri, okpei and a lot of other things. So these items were packed by my mom, okay? I know the things there, but I have not actually seen them. Like, she sent me the pictures while she was packing them, but since they brought in this bag inside this house, I have not opened it to see those items. So this is the first time I'm going to be opening it, and let's just do it together. So happy new year, guys. If you have seen me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for amazing recipes. So this bag is very huge, okay? It's heavy. It's, oh my god, it's so big. We're going to open this bag now to see what we have inside. So this is dried bitter leaves. Dried bitter leaves, Adaora, labeled by my mom. We'll be bringing our bitter leaves here in dried form because due to US custom rules, you can't bring in fresh, anything fresh, okay? So that's why we have to dry the bitter leaf or any vegetable at all. This is scent leaf. As you can see, it is dried, okay? Scent leaf, dried scent leaf, dried bitter leaves. Then this is otaze, dried otaze. Another scent leaf. This is okpei, the black one, ogiri okpei, the type we use in making ofe and egusi soup and okra soup or ogbono soup. Ogiri okpei. It smells nasty, but it smells good. Like, it smells nasty, but that nastiness is lovely. I can have 2 packets of ogiri okpei here. Oh my god, can you guys guess what is in here? This is ogiri. That is ogiri, the one that looks like paste, the one we use in making abacha and bitter leaf soup and oha soup. I have a lot of it in here. I actually told my mom to pack a lot of this for me because the one I had since got finished in December, and since then I couldn't make onugbo soup, I couldn't make oha soup because there's no onugbo soup without ogiri okpei now. Like, there's no bitter leaf soup without ogiri. So since then I stopped making those soups. So I asked her specifically to pack this a lot for me because there's no where I can buy them here. Like, some of these things I can just improvise and manage with other things, but this one specifically, there's no improvise for it, okay? There's nothing I can use to replace this for in my onugbo soup or abacha or oha soup. So I intentionally asked her to pack lots of this that can even last me for 2 years, and she did. Hey, I'm short of bread. Here is my crayfish. Crayfish, okay? This crayfish, I did not grind it. I did not tell them to grind it because I feel like if you grind your crayfish and store it for a long time, at a stage it's going to lose its flavor, and because it is ground, you might not really measure it out well while using it. Like, it will make you to misuse it if you like grind it and keep. It will make you to be packing a lot of it inside your food, which will make you to finish fast. But like this now, I can just take the quantity and actually know that yes, this is the quantity that I'm taking, and then if I grind it, the taste will still be there. Okay. Oh my god, this is my okpaka. Okpaka. Okpaka or oba. Some people call it oba. This is my egusi. Egusi. I also told them not to grind this egusi because all of these things I keep them for a long time. Like, some of them stay for 2 years and above. So I feel like if I grind them and keep for that long, at a stage they will lose their original taste and flavor. That's what I think, and that's what I've noticed. So I don't like grinding them. When the first time I came to this country, I usually grind them and bring here, but with time I noticed that it loses they lose their taste with them being in powdered form. So that's why I asked them not to grind the egusi, the crayfish, the okpei, everything. What do I have here? Okay, so this is a bag inside the bag. Oh my god, if I have a belly, thank you so much, my mom that sent it, and to those that brought it over here. God will bless you guys for me. This is ehuru, that's calabash nutmeg, the one we use in making pepper soup and some other things. Okay, if you also notice, I did not grind it because of the same reason I gave you guys. So this is ehuru, and this is ogbono. This is ogbono, and this is my uziza. You guys know what uziza is now. Uziza that we use, we add it in pepper soup, we add it in egusi soup, ogbono soup. Uziza also in seed form. They did not grind it. Here is my Santana waterproof. Santana ijeke okpa moi moi everything. So she brought okpa for me. Here is okpa flour. Let me bring it out properly. I'm so excited for all of these things. So guys will be seeing recipes bomba to bomba. On this channel. Okpa. This is okpa flour, and this is waterproof. That's nylon bag that I will use in cooking the okpa. I hope this is not Madam Sorry. I hope it is not. This is my this is my clothes that my mom sewed for me. Long skirt, blouse, and scarf. Should I open it? Oda. This is oda for making jimiroko. This is fried shallot. I so much love the smell of this, the aroma. Fried shallot for stew and jollof rice, and also fried rice. This is dukras. See guys, we have curry powder in this country, but none can be compared with this product or this brand from Nigeria. So we like bringing it over. Here is my fried rice seasoning all the way from Nigeria. I like this brand so much, this lasso. If you haven't tried it, just try it and send me later. Okay, then those ones are cocoyam flour. This one's are cocoyam flour. That's thickener for bitter leaf soup, and it's so good. I've used it before. Then lastly, here is our clothing. It's akinu, kola nuts. No, not kola nuts. What is the name of this? I know that the Igbo name is akinu gongoro. but I don't know the English name because I don't think this is kola nut. Kola nut is ogiri. I don't know what this is called in English. Please let me know in the comment section, or if I find out while editing this video, I'll insert it in the screen for you guys. What else do I have here? Okay, so lastly is my clothing and my wig, my braided wig. Let's get out the wig first. Oh my god, oh my goodness. This is my wig, my box braid wig made by my auntie. All the braided wigs I have, she's the one that makes them for me. Look at this, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Can you guys see? Wow, and so natural. She used closure, so it just looks so natural, just like this one I'm having here, but this is just a different color. I love this. I love this. If you want to order this wig, just let me know in the comment section and I'll give you her contact. She makes this a lot and she's so good at that. And lastly is my dress. So guys, these are all the things I got from Nigeria. I have another package that I'm expecting, but that will be from a shipping country. Did I say shipping country? From a shipping company. A shipping company. I actually paid for those ones, so when they arrive, just little other food stuff. When they get here, I will unbox it as well and then insert the contact number for the shipping company in case you want to ship food stuff from Nigeria. Then about storing those items, because we live in a country where we have uninterrupted power supply, I don't really have problem with keeping this for a very long time. Like some of them, they stay for 2 years and more. Okay, 2 years and more. So I basically put them in the freezer. Like this ogiri now, I'm going to scoop them into a what is it called, an aluminum foil, and just tie them small, so that if I want to make use of it, I can just take one pack, like one small foil, and make use of, instead of having to defrost everything each time. So I'm just going to, I don't know if I'm going to show you guys that, but I'm not sure. There's nothing much, just to scoop them into smaller containers using a foil paper and then put inside the freezer. Anytime I want to make use of them, I just take one pack and use, instead of having to defrost all of this container each time. So that's it for this one. Then excuse me, for the ehuru, nothing much. I just keep it in a cool dry place, okay, inside a cool dry container. Then for the okpaka, I put it inside the freezer. When I want to use it, I just bring it out maybe 1 hour or overnight, soak it in water, and it will just be like the fresh one. Then the bitter leaf, I'm going to insert the link, but I have a video that I showed how I reverse this bitter leaf to the dried bitter leaf, to the fresh bitter leaf. Let me show you guys how it's looking now. This is how it's looking, so dry. But once I'm done with the reversal the reversal process, it will begin to look like fresh onubo, fresh bitter leaf. So be sure to check that one out, okay? So like this, I'll just keep it in my cupboard, in my cabinet, in my pantry, and it will stay there. Whenever I'm ready, I can just reverse it to be like the fresh one. What again? Then these vegetables, just the same way, just keep them in my cabinet. Whenever I want to use them, I'll soak them in water and make use of them. Then this egusi, some stuff, okay? This egusi, I'm going to put them in a proper Ziploc bag. Maybe I'll divide it into 4 or 5 and then put inside the freezer. And another way you can store egusi is in an airtight container. Then you have to add pepper. That's the cayenne pepper, the whole ones, not the ground one. Just pour in enough pepper and then cover the container tightly so that the heat from the pepper will kill all the weevils, all the pests that might cause the egusi to spoil, or that might start eating the egusi and turn it inside powder, because I've had that experience. But once you keep it inside the freezer, those weevils cannot even survive there. So that's another way, either in the freezer or in a container. You must add pepper inside the container, and the container must be airtight so that those weevils cannot breed. Then my ogbono, I keep my ogbono in the freezer as well. I keep them in the freezer. This my uziza, I keep in the cupboard, in the cabinet. Each time I want to use that, just grind. Crayfish also goes inside the freezer, okay? Crayfish goes inside the freezer, but of course I'm going to repackage all of this and use a more fancy Ziploc bag like this crayfish. Now, instead of leaving it here like this, I'm going to divide it maybe into 5 or 6 Ziplocs and keep in the freezer. And finally is my okpa. I just keep it like that. I don't like the okpa, it's not much, so it won't even stay for a long time. I just keep it there in room temperature, not in the freezer. But if you have a lot of it, you can keep in the freezer to prevent it from spoiling or things like that. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not nah, my voice let me get water, 1 second. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and let me know in the comment section how you store some of this food stuff here that you have. Is there a special way you store yours you might want to share with me? I'll be happy to know in the comment section. Until then, stay safe guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.